What is the one word for the place where something begins? The correct answer is source. What is the one word for the state of needing something that is absent or unavailable? The correct answer is lack. What is the one word for have the financial means to do something or buy something? The correct answer is afford. What is the one word for clearly revealed to the mind or the senses or judgment? The correct answer is apparent. What is the one word for give or supply? The correct answer is yield. What is the one word for constituting the full quantity or extent, complete? The correct answer is entire. What is the one word for a hole made by an animal, usually for shelter? The correct answer is burrow. What is the one word for having all necessary qualities? The correct answer is complete. What is the one word for draw deep into the lungs by breathing? The correct answer is inhale. What is the one word for declaration of an intention to inflict harm on another? The correct answer is threat. What is the one word for being everywhere equidistant and not intersecting? The correct answer is parallel. What is the one word for able to bend easily? The correct answer is flexible. What is the one word for a sensation associated with a particular disease? The correct answer is symptom. What is the one word for perceived to be something or something you can identify? The correct answer is recognize. What is the one word for the organic phenomenon of rotting? The correct answer is decay. What is the one word for lacking physical depth? The correct answer is shallow. What is the one word for judge to be right or commendable, think well of? The correct answer is approve. What is the one word for a prediction about how something will develop? The correct answer is forecast. What is the one word for provide with sustenance? The correct answer is nourish. What is the one word for exceedingly sudden and unexpected? The correct answer is abrupt.